Hello, my name is Boris and today I'm going to do an unboxing of plastic box CAS6 from SECOLINK. The first impression is very good. It looks nice and clear. Top cover represents the related products and available features. In comparison with other brands that are still packed in plain brown carton boxes or in plastic bags, it is a big step forward, especially for a thing like a plastic box. The plastic box is quite compact. You can place in a control panel, 1 to 3 extra modules, internal Siren, and 12 volts 7 amp hours battery. The cover of a box could be also protected with a tamper switch. The tamper switch that detects detaching from the wall is possible as an option. 4 holes at the bottom are designed for video verification module with net. Module is still not available, so the holes can be closed with a plastic covers. Plastic does not block the radio signals and allows to install both GSM GPS and radio antenna for wireless detectors inside the box. No more parts that sticks out and can be broken. Plastic box is equipped with 20 volts AC power transformer. Extra screws to fasten the control panel or extra modules you can find in a plastic bag. The plastic thing in my hands is used to secure AC power cable to plastic box. In a bag you will find 7 self-taping screws. The short ones are used to fasten the control panel or module. The longer ones are used to secure the plastic cover. It is rare to see only 4 short screws. It is totally fine for the control panel, but how to fasten modules? For example, LAN 800. I hope that this misunderstanding will be solved by a manufacturer in the near future. This box is designed to be installed on a flat surface. It can be mounted vertically, flipped horizontally, or even directly on the ceilings. The battery is fixed in place with a plastic support and it will not fall out after opening the cover. Avoid to install the box in tight places with a poor ventilation. Do not flush into the wall. I hope you enjoyed and understand my terrible English. That's all for today. Bye bye.